I see Pepper here, and I'm putting a boiler in the Bronx. This is the job here. And I'm going to show you guys a little hack, a little trick that I use when I'm placing piping in threads. In other words, you see that thread there? I'm going to prepare it to put it in this T. Alright, so this is how I do it. One second. I get this is called a wick. It's actually just cord, cotton. And you get a roll of wick, and you pull out a string. You hold it this way, and you go from underneath. You start going around the threads. So what this does, it locks the threads in place really well. You don't want leaks in the future. So once I got my wick on, I take what's called, this is called dope, pro dope. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of dope around it. Alright, doesn't have to be too much. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna stick your Teflon tape onto it, such as like this. All right. Let me take it off. And there you go. Now she's ready for you to put her inside the fitting. One more move that I do is in the fitting itself, I add some Pro Dope. Pro Dope the fitting. There we go. So a lot of plumbers don't do this, but this is the right way of doing this. This assures that you'll never get a leak. XNYC Pepper the plumber, over and out. Oh, by the way, I gotta show you guys something real quick. My plumber's workout. Yeah, baby. And if you, the further you hold it away, it's even heavier. I can get those. They're about 25 pounds. All right, have a great day. Peace out, brokies.